let's talk about one of the most powerful tools for video creators, AI for script writing. Sometimes the hardest part of making a video is not about editing, it's figuring out what to say. That is where AI tools like ChatGPT come in. Now with AI, you can quickly generate video ideas, outlines, or even full scripts. For example, here we have two AI here on our screen. This one is the ChatGPT and this one is the Gemini AI. So you can ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube video intro for you, and then you create a step-by-step tutorial script, or you can ask it to suggest catchy titles and descriptions. The key is learning how to write good prompts. The clearer your instructions, the better the AI's output. For example, instead of saying, write me a script, we can say this: write a 1-minute YouTube intro about the benefits of video editing for beginners in a friendly tone. And then you send it and see what the AI will give you. So let's try this and see what it will give us. And we are going to put that same script in the Gemini AI and see what it will give us. We send it and then we see the difference. So using different types of AI will help you to know which one works best for your need. Now we come here to ChatGPT. It says, here's a 1-minute YouTube intro script for you in a friendly, beginner-friendly tone. Hey there, welcome. If you've ever thought about getting into video editing but felt it's too complicated, don't to worry. You are in the right place. And now with just some basic chord transitions, blah 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 blah. So this one, video of you smiling and speaking directly to the camera with a friendly upbeat song playing softly in the background. Hey everyone and welcome. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and wondered, why did you do that? Or how did they do that? So you see the difference. This Gemini is adding some instructions for you, but this one is just going straight to the point. And you can also train your AI for it to know what you want it to do. Now, of course, you don't just always want to copy and paste AI text. Just use it as a starting point. Then edit it in your own voice and your own style. So this way your videos stay original and authentic. Now, let me tell you a very quick pro tip. AI is like a co-pilot. It is not a replacement. It speeds up your process, but your creativity is what makes the script truly yours. So just put in anything here. You can just use the format. For example, the format that we are saying here, indicate what you want it to do, and then add your title. For example, this is benefits of video editing for beginner. So you can also say benefits of exercise. Now, if you wanted to add some examples, you can also say add some examples. Anything that you wanted to do, you can go ahead and add it there. So you don't want to be using your brain to cracking and trying to know what to write. Just give it to AI and then send it. If it gives you something that you do not want, tell it and it will make the adjustment. As you can see, it has started the video editing job for you by writing the script. Now, let me tell you something about AI. AI can make mistakes. So when it has generated a script, make sure that you read over it and make any adjustment that you wish to suit your taste. So apart from these two AI, we also have varieties of AIs, and you can just go ahead and test them out. We have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, and we also have AIs like Meta AI. We have AIs for pictures, we have AI for videos. So in our future tutorial, you are going to see this as we're going to use this in our job. Thank you very much for watching this part of the tutorial.